Nissan Murano. I'm doing spark plugs and an ignition coil on cylinder number 3, which is this one right here. It's a faulty coil. In the process of taking them all out, already removed the upper intake manifold. Wanted to start on the rear first since they're the ones that take a little bit longer. So far it's coming along great. This is number 3 ignition coil. There's the one that went defective or became faulty. It's cylinder number 3. Alright, so here's a new upper intake manifold gasket. We're going to be replacing this. This is the old one. It's already worn out, all gummy. You guys can see I just installed a brand new upper intake manifold gasket. Now we're going to clean up the surface area here and torque this down to specs. So the intake manifold has been torqued down to manufacturer specs, which is 80 inch-pounds. And this is the last of the coils on the left bank. Replace the spark plugs as well. Not the coils, just the spark plugs. Alright, so this Nissan Murano is all buttoned up. All the spark plugs and that one ignition coil on cylinder number 3 have been replaced. So it's all good now, so we're going to start this bad boy up and get it going. There she is, running like a kitten. The Misfire is gone. Running nice and smooth.